Representatives are then appointed by the FSP either through employment or through a mandate type agreement. These reps can act on behalf of the FSP. So it follows that the FSP is then responsible for the actions of the rep with regards to the delivery of financial services and products which fall under the FAIS Act. One of the requirements then is that the FSP must have a register for all representatives and key individuals employed or mandated by the FSP. The register, or the rep register as it is commonly known, must be updated every 15 days and sent to the FSB. Updates include any changes in the fit and proper circumstances of either a rep or a key individual, and these changes which are reflected on the register. Obviously, if a KI or rep is no longer employed by an FSP, then the individual must be removed from the list. Or when the individual is debarred for whatever reason, then this must also be shown on the rep register. Remember, the FAIS registrar does not issue licenses to representatives, and the registrar does not approve representatives either. The FSP or the company appoints reps, and that FSP carries all responsibilities in relation to ensuring that the representatives are fit and proper and that they comply with legislation and all subordinate legislation. And typically within a FSP, the key individual is responsible for all these tasks relating to the representatives, including updating the rep register. This does not mean that the key individual has to do it himself, but he carries as part of his management responsibilities the task of updating and delivering the rep register timeously to the FSB. What are the fit and proper requirements applicable to representatives? For the KI, this is important because the KIs will be responsible for the management of representatives, which includes all aspects of the representatives meeting the fit and proper requirements. The fit and proper requirements for representatives differs from key individuals as far as the required competence and CPD are concerned. The honesty and integrity requirements are exactly the same. Once again, we are looking at two key areas. The first one is the area of honesty and integrity, and the second area is competence. How do we define honesty and integrity? Remember that the registrar approves the key individual. Therefore, the key individual will make various declarations in an application form, providing information in order to gain approval from the registrar. How do you measure honesty and integrity? Do you produce a list of things to say if you do the following, then you have integrity and you are honest? Well, actually, no. What the regulator did is provide guidance in terms of non-qualifiers. In other words, if any of the following has happened to you, or you have done any of the following things, then you are not fit and proper in terms of honesty and integrity. The requirements that are provided as questions within the application form for key individuals are not only the aspects that should be taken into account and should really just provide guidance both for key individuals and the FSP concerned. These